process of social change. The social change occurs in culture and cultural evolution is the result of the following. Is the process of social change which includes steps by step. The process of social change has few steps. They are: 1. Discovery. 2. Invention. 3. Innovation. 4. Diffusion of innovation. 5. Adjustment. 6. Social change. Detail going on. Discovery. The act of finding or learning something for the first time. The act of discovering something. Example: discovery of America. Invention: a new useful process, machine, improvement, etc. that did not exist previously and that is recognized as the product of some unique genius as distinguished from ordinary mechanical skill or craftsmanship. When there is the invention of new elements combined to already existing elements, the accumulation will be greater. Innovation: the process of translating an idea or invention into a good or service that creates value. The act of innovating, introduction of new things or methods. In the result of innovation, more new elements are added to a culture. Diffusion of innovation: transfer of new ideas. Diffusion of innovations is a theory that seeks to explain how, why, and at what rate new ideas and technology spread through cultures. Cultural diffusion is an important source of social change. The process of diffusion starts when an invention or cultural elements spread from one culture to another. Quick means of communication and transportation made possible. An invention or to diffuse a cultural element to another culture. Adjustment: last but not the least adjustment is the last factor in the process of social change. After invention, accumulation and diffusion of cultural elements, the adjustment of an individual takes place in that culture. All the cultural elements are interrelated with one another. But when a material change occurs in a culture, It brings slow change in material culture. But with the passage of time, the space fills and the adjustment of new elements takes place in that culture. So, the invention of new elements becomes a part of culture as a result of adjustment process of social change. Next, social change. Diffusion and adjustment is the process by which an innovation communicated through certain channels over time among the members of a social system. It has been influencing social change. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.